Alright everyone, welcome to the first part of coding in C. Today we'll be installing the essential shit we're going to need to get started with coding in C. So first I want you to come to this website, sourceforge.net and projects and min.gw. So just click download and yeah, it'll take a while, 5 seconds, but yeah. So then we get min.gw get setup.exe. So we click on that, we install, and yeah, then it gives us like a little thing here which says continue and view license. And why are we doing this? We need to install the compiler, and we're gonna be using GCC, which is the GNU free software compiler for C. And it also gives us the C++ compiler, so I'm just gonna, yeah, not check any of these or leave them like this and hit continue. Um, yeah, reinstall. Yeah, I already have it installed, but like, let's just do it again for the video. Um, yeah, as you can see, it's loading. It's yep. So, and also we're going to need the Codeblocks IDE, which we're going to be using to do the actual coding with. So here we have the downloads for Windows. And oh yeah, if you're willing to code on Windows, you need to get the compiler like this. But in most Linux systems, the GCC compiler is it's already in there, so you can just like power up your no, I'm sorry. Power up your terminal and type in GCC, and then it should give you the essentials, the compiler to use. So okay, now in this little user interface here, we're gonna check this one. So I have it installed already. So it says mark for removal only, but like um, if I had not installed this already, it would say mark for installation here, and I would click on that, right? Click on mark for installation, then installation, and then you should press there's something that says install selected or something right here. You should press that, right? So these are which we're gonna need. And this is gonna give us GCC and the G++ compiler. And yeah, now if we go into our PowerShell, we are not going to able to do GCC yet because it's not in the path, or G++, which is the compiler for C++. So we're gonna go to what was it again? Edit environmental variables for your account. You press this one. Okay, so edit environment, well, whatever. Fucking misspelled that. So yeah, this one. And then when you get to this interface, now I know if you're just starting out, this might seem very scary, but like it's really not that hard to do. So we just press on, just double click on path, and then you should see it like this. And there, if you have Python or something else installed, or just something that you can run on your terminal, it should be here also. But on this user, I do not have anything, so it just has this user profile thing here. So we click on new, and then we go look for the installation, which is right here. We have min.gw, right? So let's say press new and then C that, and then we do that, and we do min.gw, and we okay. So this is important right here. So I do min c backslash min.gw backslash binaries because my that mini GW thing is installed in the base directory, right? On just under local disk C. So I mean, yeah, and here we have bin. So I mean, these are the two you're gonna need. But I mean, let's just say we have our min GW in like here program files, right? It's if min GW was here, we do C backslash double dot backslash min GW slash no, I'm sorry program file files x86 or whatever it's called, and then min GW and bin. So this is how it works essentially. And now, and just for good practice, I'm gonna add just the base directory right here. So I mean, yeah, if we add anything, it will show up also. If we add anything to the min GW. So okay, we press OK here. Press OK, and then we can check that they really went there. And yeah, we see min GW slash bin and min GW. Okay, okay. And then next thing, we have code blocks here. Then what we're gonna do with this, we press on the latest release, SourceForge, takes me here, and here we should be able to download the code blocks setup file. As you can see, it'll take a while to do that. Okay, so here we have a GNU GPL, and yeah, we do not need to read this, true, but if you want to, you can, sure, but like I'm not gonna read it. But I mean, you should read everything you agree to, and I have already read it, and yeah, yep. And then we press I agree, and next, and then if this is the path you want to install it to, then yeah, sure, go ahead. And then you need to hit install. I'm just gonna hit install it to Codeblocks because I have it already installed in another location. Yeah, sure, run it. Compiler and search directories, and yeah, it already has the min.gw slash bin in there. So I mean, we do not need to configure that manually. And if the min.gw isn't already there, that usually happens if you install Codeblocks first and then after install GCC. Then you just hit add and you do c min.gw and bin. If your min.gw is in the default path, but like yeah. Then we hit OK, and yeah, we're done with the video. Congratulations, and thank you.